Hello YouTube, welcome to Code Fusion. My name is Harsh Kumar and this is the part 23 of the video series JavaScript for the beginners. In this video we discuss about objects in JavaScript. So let's start the video. I have created a presentation for you. What are objects in JavaScript? Objects are the data structures just like array, but they are more versatile in nature. Object can be anything. It can be you, me, this computer on which I am writing. Every object has some features or properties in them. For example, car is an object. But what are the properties of the car? Its model name, Ford, its color, white, its number of the number of tires, 4 tire, and etc etc. And now let's discuss about the syntax and the use of the objects in JavaScript in the code. So let's jump into our VS Code. Object is declared just like array, but with a slight difference. We use let, count, or var for the declaration. Let's use const vehicle is equal to, instead of square bracket we use curly bracket, and in the objects we use key value pairs just like this. Name colon Ford comma type colon car wheel colon 4 engine colon inverted commas V8, and in the end of the curly braces we use semicolon. So these are the keys and these are the values. These are the keys and these are the values. We can store number, we can store strings, or we can store boolean. Let me show. Is this car true? This is a boolean value. This is a car. It is, that's why it is true. And we can even store array. Let's say color available is white, black, red. Here is the complete syntax for the objects. How can we declare it? And now we want to retrieve the data. Let's see how we retrieve the data using a name of the object vehicle dot, and now we have all the properties which are included in the object. Let's say we want to see the color available. Console log cut this piece of code, move it to bracket, in the bracket, and now let's see. open with live server. In step, you can see the color of the vehicle is black, white, black, red. Similarly, we can see all the data. Let me show you. Type car, wheel, 4-wheel, or this is a car. Is this a car? True. You can see our object have the different data types stored in it, and it is very easy to use. So that's all for now in this video. I hope you will learn something new in this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to CodeFusion, and hit the notification bell for the latest update on this channel. And remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.